YouTubers, what is up? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited to show you this groove because it's one of my favorite grooves of all time. Definitely inspired, JAYSUS, definitely inspired by my heroes of texture like Matt Chamberlain, Steve Gadd, Jason McGurr. It's got that left foot chick that I love so much. I talked all about how the left foot kind of changed my drumming in this video up here from the UK Drum Show. But most importantly, I think you're just gonna have fun learning and practicing this groove because it'll bring something new to your playing. Now, prerequisite for this one, you have to already be able to play a halftime shuffle. If you can't play a halftime shuffle, don't worry. I have a whole course on it on Mike'sLessons.com. Head over there, learn the halftime shuffle, get it down, and then you can work on this variation. Now, this variation isn't better than a halftime shuffle. It's just a different option. It has a little bit more texture. Our normal halftime shuffle has the texture of accented hi-hat, non-accented hi-hat, accented snare drum, and ghost note. But this groove has one extra texture, which is the left foot, and that little chick makes me so happy. So let's start learning this groove. The first thing we have to do is learn the groove element that makes this thing physically possible, which is 3 notes long, right hand on the hi-hat, left ghosted on the snare, and then left foot chick. Let's give it a shot, nice and slow. So once you have that down, you can put it into your halftime shuffle. So let's break this thing down one measure at a time. First measure, I've got 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Let's loop that really slow. This is really hard, this slow. Seriously felt like my jaw was trying to touch my ear. I was like, I can't play this. All right, now let's try the second bar. The second bar is almost exactly the same. There's only 1 note difference. Where that second bass drum was, 1 and a 2 and a, that's just another hi-hat. So with our feet, we have 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Let's get, I can't. I was gonna try to do that in time. Let's give it a try. Now that was 8th note triplets at 60 BPM. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now we're gonna try it as 16th note triplets. Nothing changes for you. All it is we can keep the tempo exactly the same, but double the rate of speed in which we were playing. So now instead of 1 and a 2 and a, now we get 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. Nothing changes about the groove. Everything is the same. It's just twice as fast. Let's put both of those bars together at 60 beats per minute, but 16th note triplets or sextuplets, but I never say sextuplets because every time I do, drummers laugh and it's just awkward for everybody. 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. Yeah, I missed it, Coach Nick. Get used to the disappointment. All right, moving on to our goal tempo. I've got a little song for us to play with. Now, if you want to get this song or you want to jam to this song, head on over to Mike'sLessons.com, click on Drumless Tracks, and scroll down. I believe this is in the trip hop section. Don't quote me on that, but it's in there somewhere. Let's give it a try. 71 BPM. It's deep, it's moody, it needed something just a tiny bit more than your standard halftime shuffle, so you throw in a little, and dang, it is hot dog on a stick. I hope you enjoyed this, YouTubers. I hope most importantly you practice and shape it into something original for yourself. Tweak the kick pattern a little bit. You want a couple more of these? Throw in a couple more. How would I know? Just have fun with it, fall in love with the instrument, fall in love with the journey, and if you want more stuff just like this, head on over to Mike'sLessons.com. But until next time, go practice.